Can you see the screen now?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Wait. Now can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. So interest on A's loan. This, first of all, this loan was a liability. I wrote it on balance sheet liability side. Now, this being an item of adjustment, hidden adjustment ase. Yar karne moi interest on A's loan kod dekhwam PL account or debit side to interest on A's loan. Parile bracketote moi calculation to show kori dim ba moi working note to show koribo paru je 8% of 20,000 for 9 months. Okay, and then amount is how much? 1,200. And this is a liability also. Till now it is not paid. Jehetu etu pay kora hua nai. Keneke gom palu pay kora hua nai? Because etu trial balance or dia hua nai. It is not given in the trial balance, and that is why it is assumed that it is a liability not yet paid. So yate moi add korim interest outstanding. How much? 1,200.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I think B's current account balance is not written.
Not written. Oh yeah, I forgot. It is 1,500, no? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
thank you for reminding. Who has done this good job?
Ma'am, me.
Me. Actually,
Ma'am,
I'm
Sahil.
to see the participants. Wait, I'm doing something. Agar participant board dekha pai asilu. Why I'm not able to see? I don't know why I'm not able to see. Can you help me out, students? Do you know? Okay, my video was off. So who has given this answer, this suggestion?
Ma'am, Sahil. Ma'am, Sahil.
Sahil Agarwal. Okay, thank you, Sahil. Okay, so B's amount I had not written. Please, all of you write this amount. And A's loan interest outstanding, I have added 1,200. Let me do the calculation also. So totally how much I have to pay A for loan? 21,200. And this 1,200, that is interest outstanding, that I will also show as an expense, and I have shown it here, right? So now can you just check one thing? Interest on A's loan, that is what? Debit side. And here in balance sheet, I am adding two liabilities, that means credit. So one debit and one credit effect has been done. As soon as you do an adjustment, please check eta debit eta credit kora hoise ne nai loge loge check kori loba. Liability side ot lekhisa mane credit hoise, asset side ot lekhisa mane debit hoise. Aru jehetu ami ete credit korisu liability balance sheet ot aru PL account ot ami debit korisu, tar mane amar problem ot question kono doubts nai etu adjustment ot. Next adjustment, partners are to share profit and loss in capital ratio. This is not an adjustment, it is only an information. Then next is outstanding salary 5,000. Outstanding salary, where will it go? We will add it to salaries. We had already left space for that. outstanding salary 5,000. So the amount is to be shown on the outer column 65,000. One effect done, debit effect done. The other effect is that it is a liability and it will be shown here. Outstanding salary 5,000.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, do not we have to share the profits?
we will do it when we do the balancing. We will do the balance.
Okay, ma'am.
Then we will find out the amount of profit in profit and loss account. Then only we will share. And PL appropriation not required because items of PL appropriation are not there in this question. So directly we can do the work in PL account. If in the question they would say that yeah, prepare PL appropriation, yes, we would prepare PL appropriation. Only we would shift the profit there, transfer the profit there, and then share it between partners. So directly we can do it in profit and loss account if the question instructs us not to prepare PL appropriation account. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So outstanding salary, one debit effect was PL account debit side and the credit effect was balance sheet liability side. Next is accrued interest on investment. So this is an income on investment. It will come to credit side of profit and loss account. Yes or no? Investment or ami income hoy na hoy. A interest ami pao. Poor karne etu hol income. Etu ahibo income side ot. Kiman amount asile 2,500. And at the same time, interest on investment is an income relating to this investment, and we will add it here also. Accrued interest on investment. Plus korim 2,500 and the net figure will go outside. $52,500. So the investment amount is now 52,500, including the interest that I'm supposed to receive, or that Messrs AB is supposed to receive. Next and the last item is provide depreciation at the rate of 10% on plant and machinery. Itu balance sheet or plant and machinery pora less hobo, less depreciation. So 10% of 67,000 is 6,700. So the difference will be 60,300 that I will write on the outer column. And also depreciation, first effect is deduction from plant and machinery. Second effect is in profit and loss account, I will write to depreciation on plant and machinery কিমান amount আহিছিলে আমাৰ 6,700. Now we are done with all the items of debit side, credit side and adjustments. Let us proceed with the balancing, huh? Total কিমান হ'ব কোৱা? Credit side total is more, 1,47,100 and 2,500. So the total will be 1,49,600. Same figure we are going to shift to the debit side also. Tell me the balancing figure on debit side, if you have calculated.
Ma'am, 38,700, I think.
38,700, yeah. So where are we going to share that profit? It is profit আছে না না এটু debit side মানে profit এটু হল আমার balancing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so this balancing figure of 38,700, in other cases we transferred this amount to profit and loss appropriation account, but now we are not going to do that. Why? Where are we going to transfer? PL appropriation bonwai nai. Directly we will transfer to partners. What jabo? Profit, share of profit.
Ma'am, partner's current account.
Yes. In this question, there is current account. So the share of profit will go to partners current account. And we will share it between A and B. And in what ratio we are going to share?
2:1.
Capital.
Yeah, capital. Aru capital or ratio kiman ase?
2:1.
2:1.
Very good. Itu working note dekhwai dibo para. That what can you show? The ratio of capital is 50,000 is to 25,000 is to 2:1. So 2:1 means A will get 2/3 of 38,700 and B will get 1/3 of 38,700. So tell me the amounts. Is it correct? No. So this share of profit will also go to the current account of partner, 25,800 and 12,900. So here, current account, I had written A and B and left some space for adding profit or loss as would be the result. We have got a profit. How much? First I will write profit. And how much is the amount? I forgot, please tell me.
25,800.
25,800 for A and for B?
12,900.
Okay, 12,900.
12,900.
Yeah, thank you. Then find out the balance of profit, balance of capital. Closing balance of current account. Tell me the figures. One figure is minus and one is plus. So minus plus will be minus. So what will be the difference? Be fast. Tell me the answer. In exam, you are not allowed to use calculator. Do you know this? Students,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
you are not allowed to use calculator. So your practice has to be so fast that your answers are also fast. Tell me the figure for A.
Ma'am, 13,300.
Thank you. And for B,
14,400.
14,400.
thank you. And total? $17,
Ma'am, 1,100.
700.
27,
700.
700.
Ma'am, will not 13,000 be minus?
Huh? No, why it will be minus? The smaller figure was minus, na?
Oh, okay, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Yes.
So profit also we have written in two places. PL account amar NO complete hoi goisile. Profit ami yate lekhilu. Now do the balance sheet total and tell me the answer. Credit side total is debit side total kori saisa ne?
Ma'am, is it 4,41,800?
Debit side you got na? So credit side is also 4,41,800. So this is the way we have completed the question. And without any what? Mistake. If you follow this technique, there will be no mistake. আরে কিবা গড়বড় হৈছে নেকি ইয়াতে now it is okay.
Ma'am, is the answer right, ma'am? I think, ma'am.
Yeah, it is right. Both sides we are getting 4,41,800. So it is correct. Balance sheet has tallied.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
If you follow this technique of first reading the items of adjustment, ticking them in the question, then starting with first item of debit side of trial balance, and one by one, when you do all the items, there is no question, and then you start, there is no question of mistake. Then you take the adjustments and one by one you post the debit and credit, and you every time you check debit credit is correct or not, then why will there be any mistake? The only thing left is time management. So if you practice regularly, if you practice final accounts, then your speed will improve. Otherwise, you may do the sum correctly in exam, but you will take a lot of time, and thus it will be a disaster for the subject as a whole, because in other questions you will not be able to score marks, or you will leave your question paper incomplete. So time management is very necessary. Accuracy, neatness, and time management. Correct to hobo lagibo, ধুনিয়াকেও লিখিব লাগিব, আৰু টাইম মেনেজমেন্ট হ'ব লাগিব। এই তিনিটা বস্তু তোমালোকে খুব লক্ষ্য ৰাখিবা যেতিয়া প্ৰশ্নটো আৰম্ভ কৰা, সলভ কৰা। Any question, any subject, any question paper, start with these three things in mind. ধুনিয়া হল কিন্তু সব ভুল নচলে, you'll not get marks. it is correct but very dirty or took a lot of time, then also balancing is not proper. So tinitar bostur balance hobo lagibo: accuracy, time management, and neatness or beautiful presentation. So I hope all these things you will keep in mind, and you also know this. I'm only reminding you. So any more doubts, students? Any more doubts?
No, ma'am.
No,
Okay. So I end the class now. Any more doubts, you can directly message me on Telegram or my WhatsApp number. You can please note it: 94351 23852.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please note it, huh? Because what happens is that I don't check my Telegram group very often, or Telegram messages. So things get left. If you ask me anything on Telegram, I may not remember. I may not be able to answer because I don't check it regularly. So itu more number ase. Ate tumaloke doubts pur message korile moi message ote reply dim, dorkar porile phone kori loba, huh? You can call me. Feel free to call. If I'm busy, I'll just let you know. We can talk at a time when it is convenient for me. And feel free to approach me or any teacher in the department. We are always there to help you all. Just keep in touch with your studies. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So have a nice
Yes, ma'am.
nice part of remaining part to tumalokor bhale bhale thake. Ajir dhuniya evening to tumalokor class lolu. Huh? So don't feel bad for that. But in the morning, actually, I was having the thought that you should have your doubts ready. Suddenly, my morning jodi kohun je moi live class lom aru doubts to ki ase huda problem hobo ya karone homoy dilu tumalokok. So I think the purpose is fulfilled. Any more doubts, you can ask me directly. Okay then. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.